Hey y'all. Yep, it's getting that time of year, getting close to gardening time, and I'm looking forward to getting it. Ground's still too wet out here in Oregon anyway, and it'll be another couple months before I actually get to planting, but I gotta get that kind of clean things on out and start getting things ready for gardening season. But I got this video I want y'all to check on out. Check this on out. You'll have never have seen radishes grown like this here. Nobody has ever. This is a video that my brother sent me on Marco Polo radishes that he grew last year, and I've been trying to figure out how to get this video off of Marco Polo so I can share it with you guys, because this is an awesome video of radishes you've never seen. The sweetest radishes you've ever seen. So sweet. Check it out, boys. And by the way, if you like this type of content, make sure you subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and share it with a friend.
Hey Stan, I'm out in my garden and I got these hybrid radishes. I'm gonna pick one and they don't seem to be hot. They seem to be really tasty. So I'll grab one. I'll reverse this camera and show you. Let's see here. I'll pick this one right here. Here we go. Here we picked this thing, and let's get out of the sun so we can see this thing. See this radish here. Wow, what a nice radish I have here. Look at that. It looks nice and sweet, not hot at all. I'll reverse the camera here. I'm going to eat this thing right now. I better break this stem off here. Whoop, there it goes. Yeah, nice radish. Don't you wish your radishes were that nice? Ah, that was tasty. No need to let that go to seed and eat the pod. Anyway, Stan, catch you later. Bye.
Now, what did you think of them apples, man? That was pretty interesting, huh? Oh, man, don't you just love these thistles? Man, they're stickery and stuff. Hard to get a hold of by the root and get them pulled on up. Yeah, I hate these thistles. But oh well. Part of gardening. Just remember, folks, if the girls don't find you handsome like me, they can find you handy like me. And if they don't find you handy like me, well, just pray that they find you. Y'all come back now, yeah. Bye.